Equiapim.
Okay.
From me Mo side rather than say me a friend is saying
sure.
Fiifi Papa side
That's true.
Upa with my carbon.
Nti Achem then Equiapim.
Equiapim.
Okay. That's fine. So be fine. Okay. How the is bought EPL qualify for Champions League.
EPL. You qualify for Champions League. Aye. Move for money match.
Oh yeah,
I think he deserves it. He has done a very good job.
Carrick Edmond.
Why Edmond? To for money, Mamu you cry.
Akwani coach to
top notch.
Is it okay Europe dia coach be any?
Yes, I agree.
No coach. The Premier League no mpenifu wa show bia. Until Rosie Grading kuno.
So ndo bia.
Ku twa ni tisi.
All ndo bia.
Mo pepi the next to level.
Why don't you?
Mo say Ateta Premier League ni madwuma che obi obo so we. Ateta. Mo ahye no.
Say kasa.
Me catch akwano bantu nke beji Premier League no.
Since I'm move from
Tinyame aduma next season ya confirm ni bia. Every trophy domestic
and foreign
in the Nigeria. Oh, you confirm no? Just a matter of time.
Because he has proven beyond reasonable doubt that he's a top manager.
Top
I mean, say football is about results, and results is what makes decisions in football. Then what Carrick has done, he deserves to be Manchester United manager.
Yeah.
Meaning, say United football, they have a reason to also question Carrick and say Carrick about 14 games or so, or a couple of games in Yinano, or 10 days, a lot of United fans are saying it's going to be different when you have to play Champions League in the middle.
That's true.
Juggle both, playing the FA Cup, plus the demands, expectations, because maybe a Carrick before Tini Freedom. The expectations said in Nisro. That is going to be another level. But until Michael Carrick gets there, you can't say that he won't be able to do that. I think he has done enough. He United in commodity into Rich Inter have won the Scudetto. I'm winning and it's their 21st time I'm winning Scudetto. My main can't be Rich in Italian football. In Italy, a chrono has always been dominated by the north. And the reason is simple. They call those areas the industrial north. So, Italia, baby, industries, factories, big ones, they used to be were in Milan and the likes. That is where the big boys were. Which, because of that, so if you look at the history of Italian football, the successful clubs have come from those in the north or close to the north. When you are going towards the north, Turin, and then of course the two Milan clubs that are in Milan, which is in the north, they have seen a large part of success from the beginning of football and of course to the one. And now, when you go back to look at the history of AC Milan and the history of the formation of Inter Milan, it tells you from the beginning of football where Italy, and they've been very successful. Now, it will maybe not these clubs that are actually the Italian Scudetto. We remember somewhere around 2007, 2008 there about
the dominators.
Yes, then the two Milan clubs die. If you remember, up until somewhere 2017, 2018, 2019 thereabout, not Juventus is Gian Edgy. Then Juventus also came in to come and dominate. It got to a point where the Italians themselves understood that they had to make sure, say, for football to really thrive in that nation, it shouldn't only be centered in the industrial north. So that is where, when it came towards the south, the Neapolitans, Napoli, for started also then the other clubs that are away from the industrial north started winning. Which this is the Italian football going back to the industrial north again. Inter Milan winning it for the 21st time in history. But this is very telling. 2016-2017, Juventus in the winning year. 2017-2018, Juventus in the winning year. 2018-2019, Juventus in the winning year. 2019-2020, Juventus in the winning year. Then they cut it off. Then from there, now the Sunni group now have come to invest in Inter, the Chinese company. No. And on this the Inter began to win. At the time, the likes of Romelu Lukaku were in that team. They had brought back Antonio Conte, to come and reinvent the Inter team to go and win again. They started that winning onslaught again. Stefan Pioli had been given a vote of confidence with Milan. No, it's not much. But they be the nearly man. The longevity of the man, Stefan Pioli at AC Milan, make sure say he also gets the trophy for team friend AC Milan. At the time, after the 3 industrial north teams, Juventus, Inter Milan, and Milan, then that is where the Neapolitans stood up. Which something is very, very clear. Even when Napoli ever dominating, look at the manager that they had in their dugouts, Luciano Spalletti, top level. He had seen it at the top before, both everywhere in Italian football. Again, look at the quality of players that the Inter team had at the time. Victor Osimhen, Vicha Kvaratskhelia. These are quality and Italian Serie A. Now, once they got that, Inter came back again when they had to go and do the job. They brought in an experienced manager from Team FN Lazio in Abrante FN Simeone Inzaghi. Once Simeone took over the job, Inter, it was his experience and in the longevity Italian Serie A. And then the quality now Antonio Conte keep it for a long time. Inter, then he decided to go on with it, Rich, and to make sure say they go on. After that, Napoli went on also successfully to come and take back their trophy. Again, another experienced manager in Antonio Conte, and then finally Christian Kivu. Rich, there are 2 things that make 2 teams win the Italian Scudetto in recent times. Sika, any experienced coach. It is very, very likely so better Italian Serie A. So let me say, but the reason I'm saying this is that Juventus dominated revenue Sika in these years. 2016, 2017, 17, 18, 19. First time until the Sunni group came to pump in money, brought in Antonio Conte, bought top players. Then Inter came to compete. Then at this side, at AC Milan, it was more the longevity of Stefan Pioli. And what's now what match? Then Stefan also managed to go on and win. After Stefan, De Laurentiis did a lot of investment on a small team in the southern Napoli, in the Neapolitan city, and then brought in an experienced manager who could also do the job. In American, say in Italy league now, you need 2 things. The players can be old, but Unyes cannot be to even older players who are good enough to complement our experienced manager. You tend to win.
No, it's the same football and the modern day football. It's money.
But who's the Italian football is a little bit peculiar. Who do Italy compare the rest of the European teams are?
Okay.
When you compare
so when you kakana
now the experience
you tend to win with a good manager, you
tend to win it. Who's the first? Not even Kwana now, but Nyeska. Then they were dominant.
1 or 2 teams be penna.
Exactly.
Rich owners are still now result number.
When you don't, of course.
Typical example here, Yanum.
Of course, when you don't manage your things well, don't worry. When you don't manage your things well, it begins to affect you. Now, something different has happened this season under Christian Kivu. Which one is a Christian Kivu before Sebefa Inter, man? No, coaching Palmer for less than 20 games. No, in fact, he's an Inter legend. We're winning the Scudetto 2 times as a player. He was coaching in Inter's Primera, junior team in Italy for Primera Division. That is where he came to come and do the job. In fact, all of the experience, Boma, just around 50 games, and a Christian Kivu at the anyway. So an Inter team that was deteriorating, yes, they had kept the core of the team. I think that this win was down to the brilliance of not just Abrante friend Christian Kivu, but also sporting director BP Marotta, keeping Abrante friend Akan Klanoglu, making sure that they held on to Abrante friend Nicolo Barella. The sensible decision of selling Abrante friend Andre Onana to go out and then bring in a new goalkeeper. The quality of players beats Marcos Thuram on team. The smartness of bringing players beats P.S. Posito into their team. They are not big names, but they tend to complement. And for me, and for, of course, I think also for you, a lot of credit to Christian Kivu. But after winning it twice as a player, or the Inter winning the very first time we're winning as a manager, and I think it's a lot of congratulations. There are a lot of good players in this team. Yohan Besek who have been solid, Zanetti, Beppe Marotta. Inter have been fantastic in Italy, and I think that there's a possibility. Almost called the Coppa, no? Almost the Coppa Italia. They win 2 trophies in 1 season, and I like this from Alexander Kolarov. Also, Inter is always trying to improve, and for us, it's not over yet. We have another match in 10 days, and we want to win the Coppa Italia. We are satisfied, but the job isn't finished yet.
More former player.
Alexander Kolarov was more at Manchester City.
Okay. Yeah.
Then Beppe Marauta essay. Evident, of course, this is an Italian. It's been kind of about it. Congratulations to Inter Milan for the success that they've been able to get with Italian Serie A, and more so to Christian Kiev. Maybe as the weeks go by, I'll try and do more detailed analysis on how he was able to win it tactically. Today was about the institution Inter Milan. And again, we'll look at, say, Inter Milan team, more than England, Man City, but in Italy, different teams have won. Is it because the Italian Serie A is more competitive than the English Premier League or something else? We'll look at it in the next few days. Rich, I don't like to overcomplicate things. How I see it and I go home. It's as simple as that. So far as I disrespect any, that is all. And it's the same as the situation between Barcelona and Madrid. In my opinion, Barcelona for League. It is just, they are just delaying the coronation. And now you see, Madrid are trying hard to make sure, say, at least Barca for the trophy no better. Find time money. One, they don't expect Barcelona to win the trophy at their expense away at Espanyol. No. Yem2 car na flight Barcelona Chromonum better rivals. Or making sure some relegation. Emma name saying I see a more draw. Now Fienka say, oh, now it's a couch mu, waje league, and then we are struggling. Don't do that. So yesterday, if you look at the game Madrid played out, it was essentially about themselves. You're making sure say, Barcelona for the joy, regardless. And because also, so for them, what will excite them is two things. Whether they get a guard of honor from Madrid for, or they lift the trophy at the Santiago Bernabeu. The first one, they won't get it. The second one is that the next game is going to be the Gran Clasico. Meaning, so when you enter everywhere, and Marca gives us a clear picture of Madrid City. So for them, it's about preventing Barcelona from hoisting the trophy on that Santiago Bernabeu stadium. It is only Omukoba. They will try to do everything to stop Barcelona, but Barcelona will not care. They will not care. Getting the job done over the weekend away at a stadium at El Sada, a place that they usually don't get success from, tells how good they are, and it's only a matter of time. Which the goal that Robert Lewandowski share being set up by Marcus Rashford, probably one reason in here. If you look at the context of Barcelona, it's almost holding Marcus Rashford and Lewandowski in any decision that they will make. Barcelona need to make a decision this summer. Lewandowski better. You want to bring in a starting center for who's going to be more expensive. Marcus Rashford. Are there better options on the market? Will you pay Manchester United for him? Key decisions that Barcelona would have to make. Which it was in the 80th minute. Lamine Yamal niho. Rafinha niho. Fermin Lopez is not balling as you expect him to ball. And as it has always been this season, although consistent for Barcelona fans, and they are not excited with what Abrante and Marcus Rashford anymore consistently, but in crucial moments like this at the El Sada, when they needed one man to use his brain, it was Marcus Rashford. Just look at the number of Osasuna players behind the ball. Marcus was patient, and he did two things. One, scan the area, and then look at the body orientation of Abrante and Robert Lewandowski. You will see that Lewandowski peels away from the fullback and then immediately begins to make the run. Or making run now, it was a beautiful ball. And Abrante and Marcus Rashford did two more. Whether they will pay the 30 million, whether they will not pay, that decision, things like this have to be looked at in context. Small boy now go for Nabano. Will he be able to give you moments like this? Small boy now also go for Nabano. Can they give you what you are looking for? I think that the best way is to make sure say Manchester United will accept another loan. Madrid spoil the party, at least not yet for Team Friend Football Club Barcelona. It will go to the Santiago Bernabeu. What do you think will happen at the Santiago Bernabeu?
Like you said, Madrid MPC. So Barcelona bad league in Ukraine shouldn't be Santiago Bernabeu. No, baby. And never mind give and bad debt. But the league, but yeah, my own Jinu Kuma. What's the two teams in injuries be brewing? They don't care. Lamine prayer. That big games will go and yet tactics.
Exactly, but we play our big boy. I mean, your money.
Player be a besheni Jesse be a onim the derby ni chire.
Nkasadi anka Mama do say muti.
No, ebia unya top level performance.
Exactly.
Premium one unya bi.
So that is where Barca probably have a problem.
You're not supposed to be to complement the team.
It may not be enough. That is the problem Barcelona will have. Lamine is not there. Rafinha not fully fit. But of course, the exciting part, they say, Nyame Aduma will wait for it. Rich, just to wrap up for you, congratulations to Michael Carrick.
Thank you.
We have said it several times, time immemorial. DBI your boss. Say me, for me, I don't judge managers based on experience. Coachy, how, what you say. Rich, if you are worth your salt, then if you are good, it will show with time. And that is what Michael Carrick has shown. Which the people that are saying say, oh, Michael Carrick in that time, Bobo, Ruben Amorim free tournament competitions very early.
Still near result.
But he was still struggling. Ruben Amorim did wrong things in terms of player profiling. She maybe know about Bruno Fernandes.
Back to the fundamentals. Simple.
He plays Bruno Fernandes close to goal, and then look at Bruno Fernandes. He doesn't play Casemiro alone. He doesn't play Ugarte next to Casemiro. Or Casemiro next to a ball-sided player in Kobe Mainoo. And then now, look at the young man.
Now, a brand TV.
From the edge of the box.
And we're on Yadi. Not net bench.
But on your top, sir. This summer, you need to upgrade on him. Which, and
player will never be more. I mean,
no problem. You see, me, I'm an analyst. Wait, you see, I don't have a problem. Oh, you're a United fan, and I get that. I'm an analyst. Me say can you try? Whilst Ruben Amorim, Carrick has done a good job with Kobe Mainoo, I'm a bit delivered. You can't depend only on Kobe Mainoo in the Champions League next season. It's not possible. So on Kobe Champions League, nonsense in Bebo League, nonsense in Bebo FA Cup. United would have to augment the squad.
Sure,
so what
you do it?
Yes, CCTV also pe Elliot Anderson. It is time for United to look through whether it is Elliot, whether it is Baleba, whoever the midfielder is, wait me team to also complement Kobe and get them to go and compete and play one. I think it should be done. And then you made 2 matches for Honum. A simple job. Now, Liverpool for say Chelsea for the and a slot that's where you Chelsea it's Liverpool get there over Champions League. And yes, I can slot your pump crab and you go feel that. Which Roberto Di Zerbi has done a good job. Baby or the Omo fan, but also the kind of football and confidence that they were playing now, it was good enough for them. Chelsea are playing against Nottingham Forest, and then you remember only one thing matters. So what Champions League maybe a share. It's as simple as that. The bad thing is that Nottingham Forest have a good record when they play at home. Callum McFarlane said there is a lot of positives between Ono and then Emrante in the lead up to game, and then you remember against we are crowd 2 p.m. I hear today is a bank holiday or UK, so that's why the game is being played in the afternoon. Nottingham Forest match, which honestly I don't have any hopes in Chelsea games. I just watch them.
Okay.
It's a game that
far.
Because maybe a team when the team has deteriorated, a lot of things.
I don't think so. I think that a problem simple players in manager.
But that's what has made the team.
Yempe the decision of the board. Inti coach Lankasa the any problem, but the young man result now. Ebema more board no be few say the decision that you took was the best.
That's exactly what.
So now coach Nini Hono. So why Chelsea games are now players in there?
One game.
It's not about. I know it's one game. But you see, listen. Now, say Obi to say Kaisedo. You know the importance of playing the Champions League.
But again,
so you don't need Obi to tell you.
No problem. But you are playing against a Nottingham Forest team. About Stamford Bridge, you know. In 3 times, we about draw million.
I mean, they can't make a
for me, my job is an analyst.
And they banner idea.
No problem. So for more we see, Nottingham Forest ever Champions League.
Okay.
They get success over there.
Okay.
And you be an air channel. So Chelsea, you see oh, now you don't agree with your board decision, so now you want to play. I can 4 games, 3 games. It may not be enough for you to qualify for the Champions League. You can't say you now. The next season will come. A Conference League. And I say be a Europa League, a place that you don't like. So for a lot of Chelsea fans, it's about waiting to see. For me, this summer is the most important one. It was a good one, I had a message. Etache Makoma. Somebody said he had won 8,000 CDs from Sunday Coats and the Tosono. Now, saying another boy and also film, but some of bigger can say Debbie. For me, the most important thing is for you to get something.
With the BRBT passports.
Now simple. My Mark Coats no. And then was the Chelsea or match La Liga or Honum. Correct games power Honum. First one a BW 5366 4B9F. Second one a BW 5366 300C. Third one a BW 5366 0E95. Fourth one a BW 5366 0822. Reaching the last one a BW 5365 DBFA.
Okay. That's it, Kofi. Yem to us on far Emamo